Hey Muggles, Hugo here. Rose sent me up to check on Lily, but she's asleep. I've always wanted to know what it was like to be a Potter.
I don't feel like the daughter of the chosen one.
Just plot with me, it'll be just like when we were kids.
A love potion? Really? You could have ruined my whole interview.
I just overheard Uncle Charlie talking about the great dragon migration coming this way soon. I know someone in Slytherin. Whoa! Operation Steal a Baby Dragon from the Forbidden Forest for Hagrid is a go.
Hopefully he thought that we could just hide a baby dragon in Hogwarts and not feed it.
I never think things through, you know this. Great. Who are we pranking?
We're not pranking anyone!
Well, you know what, Gertie? I am magic, so...